The Humdinger redefines versatility and adventure. This truck can accommodate up to 7 passengers, along with 600 kilograms of luggage, making it ideal for group travels or expeditions, where varying terrains are part of the journey. Priced at $250,000, the Humdinger provides seamless transitions from dry land to aquatic settings, without the need for any conversion or preparation. It's particularly suited for rescue operations, leisurely explorations, or simply as an impressive piece of engineering for those who value capability and flexibility in their vehicles.